Guys, Kostas here with Opa Greek Taverna. It's Oktoberfest season and we just put on the Sam Adams Dude, what are you wearing over here, man? Dude, this is my lederhosen, man. You like it, brother? Okay. I like the lederhosen, but I think it looks good on me. Don't you think that's a bit much? We're a Greek restaurant. You should be wearing like a toga or something. You know it's Oktoberfest. All right. I mean, I have to wear the lederhosen. Yeah, take it away. Just take it away. I'll sit here and enjoy this beer. I just wanted to tell them all about all the events and all the fun stuff we got. Yeah, I'm just going to... That's why I'm here, man. You're ridiculous, man. Thank you. Guys, sorry, man. Guys, this is for our customers, man. Klaus is here with Opa Greek Taverna. We just partnered with Sam Adams. We have a Marzen Ale. It's their Oktoberfest. Also, a German pita wrap with a Weisswurst, Dusseldorf Mustard and Sauerkraut. It's gonna be phenomenal. You don't want to miss it. Basically, what Klaus is trying to say is it's gonna be a phenomenal experience. You're gonna want to come in here all the time and love it. Then make sure that you mention the YouTube channel as well, because we need everybody who's watching this on Facebook to subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can become a monetized subscribe right here. That's kind of what we're doing this for. Right there. Also, Oktoberfest, October 5th. If you guys are in the area, stop by. We got all kinds of phenomenal. We're doing it again. I was just going $25 if you share and comment on this video. We need your help to get the word out, what we're doing over here in our little small Greek restaurant in Rowlett. We need your help, guys. Everybody's help out there. So just comment and share this video, and we are going to shoot you guys thumbs up. Leave it a thumbs up, and we will announce the winner. It's worth it. Sometime in October. So again, thank you guys so much for supporting us. Klaustus, thank you so much for being here and showing your support as well. Cheers, man. And hopefully y'all can meet Klaus. Be here, man. Come by and say hello to myself. We'll both be here, won't we, Klaus? Yes, sir. Until then, guys, hey, we will see you guys soon, and enjoy the rest of your day. Hopefully more of these videos will be coming out here soon. Opa. Cheers, guys. Opa. Cheers.